Hi everyone, this is Natse, your featured mobile developer and top-rated seller on Fiverr, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to publish your app on Google Play. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the Create Application button, and here you can select the language and write a title for your app. So in our case this is just a demo app, so I'm going to name it a demo app 2017. Click on the create button afterwards. And over here you need to write a short description for the app, and in the full description you can write about what can you offer to your clients, the services of your website, the services of your company, just like in an ad. Write everything which you can offer to your clients as a service. So just make sure not to write the random keywords here in the app. For example, if you sell houses on your website or you have a company, you don't need to write just keywords here, because Google doesn't work that way, and if they see that, they will suspend your app. So just don't write for example house, home, or buy a home, etc, etc, etc. Use this to use this field to write about what can you offer to your clients. For example, you can use our app to find out about our services, and so on and so on and so on. So you can write everything about it here. Okay, so then down below you will need to add screenshots, and I will provide everything. So you will have the screenshots here ready, the APK, feature graphic, and the icon. Right, so you select the screenshots, then you go to the icon and the feature graphic. These are the mandatory fields which are required. If you wish, you can make yourself some graphics like a promo graphic, TV banner, and so on, but these things are optional. You can copy paste YouTube URL video here if you want to add a video of your application in the Google Play listing. Then select the application type here. You need to select applications, category. Select your category: business, communication, education, dating, entertainment. So let's say that it's business. Contact details, you need to have your email here. You can write your phone here if you wish, that's completely optional. Your website. You will notice that all these fields which have a blue star are required, so you need these things here. About the privacy policy, it is required, but for some apps it's not. You can just tick on this square here for the moment, not submitting a privacy policy at this time. And if Google asks you for a privacy policy, I will leave a link in the description. There are plenty of online tools which can help you create a privacy policy in 5 minutes. So for now, just leave it like this, and if Google asks for a privacy policy, then copy and paste the privacy policy here. Okay. Then you go to Save Draft. The next thing you need to do is to go to Manage Releases. You have 3 things here: alpha, beta, and production. So you need to go to Manage Production. Create a release. As you can see, all these blue buttons are actually the ones you need to follow. Just click on them and they will take you to the next step. Upload APK. Browse files. Here's the APK. it is. Processing. Okay. You click on the review button next. And we're done here for now. Then we go to the content rating field. As you can see, these are all steps here, and when you have the green light, that means that the step is okay. Now here's the content rating. You click on continue. You need to write your email here. Confirm the email address, copy, paste, and then you need to select your app category. Now you have several categories here. If your website is about social networking, you need to select this one. If it is a shopping website, you need to select this category. It will not be a game because I don't create games for now, I only create apps. Entertainment, utility, and so on. Most of the websites will go to this category: reference, news, or educational. In my experience, reference, news, or educational is the category which is used the most, around 80–90%. Every now and then there are shopping websites, very rarely social networkings, and so on. So you need to select one of these. Okay, so we select the reference, news, or educational category, and then there are several yes and no questions. Violence: can the app contain violent material? No. Sexuality? No. Potentially offensive language? No. Controlled substance? No. Does the app natively allow users to interact, exchange content with other users, voice communication, sharing images or audio? You select no. Third person information? No. Okay, so you just click on yes and no here. Then you go to save questionnaire and then calculate rating. Then you also need to scroll down and click on the apply rating button. Okay, the next field is pricing and distribution. Over here you can select the countries where you want your app to be available. By default, you just click here and the app will be available all over the world. You need to answer the question if your app has ads. So if you have AdSense and so on, you can click yes, it has ads. If you don't have AdSense, or if you don't have ads in your website, you click no, it has no ads. Then go to the bottom and click on these next two fields here. This application meets Android content guidelines. I acknowledge that my software application is okay, it's not against the law, and so on and so on. And then you click on save draft again. Okay, so now it is ready to publish, and you go to the manage release again. You click on resume. You go down. Here is the blue button again, review. You go down again, start rollout to production. You click here, and there you go. Your app will now become available to all users on the Play Store. Do you want to continue? And you need to click on this button, confirm. You need to click here. I'm not going to click because this is just a demonstration app, so I don't want to spam the users with a demo app. So I'm not going to publish this app, but this was just a demonstration about how it looks. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to message me anytime.